If you have been to our channel already, welcome back. And if you're new to our channel, hi! We hope you stayed watching us. Okay, today we are doing another chemical reaction science experiment. Yay! Let's get started. Do you need help or do you want to do it by yourself?
Myself.
Okay. So what bottle are you going to use first? We're going to do them all at the same time?
This one.
Oh, you want to show them how you do it at first? Okay, I'm going to have to help you. So first, we have a bottle, plain empty water bottle.
Yeah.
Next is 1/3 cup of vinegar
Yeah.
and 3 teaspoons of baking soda.
Yay.
So first, we're going to get our tunnel.
Okay, let me hold this.
Okay, and we're going to pour in the 1/3 cup of vinegar. Take that out, yes.
Mommy.
I pre-poured the baking soda in this balloon so that we wouldn't have to waste time doing that. And then we just have to put this over.
Yay.
So Skylah, do you know what you're gonna have to do?
No.
You don't?
Yeah.
Okay, come stand right here. I need you to empty this balloon
Okay.
out inside the water. So I need you to pull it, pick it up like this.
No, you.
Are you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready.
You're scared? Why are you scared? OMG.
OMG.
I don't know if that was supposed to happen that way. But I don't want it to pop off. We're going to move this one to the side.
Come on, baby. Come on. Do bigger.
Let's try this one now.
Come on.
Whoa! We have frozen balloons!
Yay! Come on. Go.
Keep going. Whoa!
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Whoa!
It's falling.
Whoa! Yes!
Yay!
Some more! Woo!
It's a party.
It's a party! Whoa! Wow!
Wow.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
So when carbon dioxide gas is created and without anywhere to go, it pushes up through the neck of the bottle and that's how it inflates the balloon.
Yay.
And that's a chemical reaction.
Yay.
Oh, what happened to this one? It already deflated? Oh, you know what? We left a little piece open. Okay, so Sky, come here. I can't see you. Come this way. Skylah, did you enjoy your science experiment
Yeah.
with your chemical reaction?
Yeah.
Was it super cool?
Yeah.
With your frozen balloons?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Bye.
Bye. We hope you loved our video and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.